How to change username on Messenger. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to change username on Messenger. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Now tap on menu right here once you are logged in. Now you can see settings right here. Tap on settings. As you can see, your username right now is this @. Now here, scroll down. In order to change it, you'll need to tap on this username right here. Tap on it. Now you will see username right here. This is your current username. Now in order to change it, you must delete it. So delete this username and type in your new username right here. Okay, once you enter your new username, all you have to do is tap and save. Now once you tap and save, go back and see the username. As you can see, your username has been changed. And that's it. This is how easy it is to change username on Messenger. Hope this video helped you out. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.